Ever struggled to design a standout home section? Well, you're in the right place. Let's craft a home section that stands out. I'll teach you to create this stunning home UI with Next.js in just minutes. So, without wasting time, let's get started. So we'll be using Aceternity UI library. With its pre-built components and seamless integration, it simplifies development and enhances user experience. You can click on Browse Components, and you'll get to see a number of ready-to-use UI components. We'll navigate to the Sparkle component, which we're going to use now. It has its installation process, which I'll be showing you further. You can have a look through the component that we'll be using now. And don't worry, the installation is also that simple. Step 1 is installation of the dependencies. Then we have to add the util file in our code base. And we have to add the code of the Sparkle component in our project. We can also customize it according to our needs. So let's see how to use it in our Next.js project. For the installation of Next.js, we have to run the command npx create next app at latest /. This will ask us a couple of questions. We have to click on the default. We will say yes to TypeScript, ESLint, Tailwind CSS, source directory, and app router. We won't be using TurboPack and Alias, and we are done. Hit the Enter button and let the packages install. After all the packages are installed, run the command npm run dev and visit the localhost 3000 to view the project. And we have successfully installed the Next.js in our project. Now, for the setup of Aceternity UI components, let us run their npm command. This will ensure that all the required packages are installed. We will copy-paste the command in our terminal. And you'll see that all these packages are installed successfully. Now we'll set up the util files. Simply create a lib folder in your project in source directory. And under that, create a util.ts file and paste this code there. All we have to do is follow the installation instruction. Now, to set up the Sparkle component, first, we have to set up its UI, so create components folder in source directory. And create UI folder under it for the UI code. And within it, create sparkle.tsx file. And paste the code given here. Remember that we have to adjust our import directory accordingly. And now comes the Sparkle code for this stunning output. Now create a Sparkle preview.tsx file in UApp folder. Paste the code, adjust the directories, and all set. Now navigate to the page file in the app folder and delete the default template code of Next.js. Now import the Sparkle preview component in it so that it should be visible in our page folder, and do not forget to import the source of it. Now save all the changes and visit the localhost 3000 to see the output. You can change the text accordingly. Also, if you need, you can adjust the styling also. I have given some styling to the text here, and we are done. The home section is ready in just minutes. In the upcoming video, we'll be working on this card section, and if you like the video, do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.